Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. Today we are discussing the problem number 10 to print the sum of first and last digit. Okay, if you have not watched any one of the given problem which is 1 to 10, go and watch our playlist. And today we are discussing about the print sum of first and last digit. Okay, I mean, just assume that you are given a number 1, 2, 3. What is the first number there? It is 1, right? And what is the last number? 3, right? Then we need to get the sum of those numbers like 1 and 3. You have to get like 4. Okay, that will give us the sum. We need to write the code for that. And first we will see the intuition. What is our intuition? And then we go for the writing the code. Then we try run. Okay, yeah. And let's take 1, 2, 3, which is a given number. And what is the sum? We need to pick up the first digit and we need to take the last digit and then we need to do the sum. That should be the 4 output. Okay, how will you do that? We can pick up the last digit. Yes, you can pick, like, you can take the variable int of last is equals to number modulo by 10, as we learned in the earlier cases, and that hold the 3 value, right? Here last will be holding value 3. Okay, last will be holding the value 3. Then how you will get the first digit? That will be possible by using the while loop. Okay, while, before going to that, we need to understand one topic. While should be greater than 0. That means here the given number is 1, 2, 3. The while loop will always remove, and let's write num is equals to num by 10. Okay, and first we will see this intuition regarding this while loop. Okay, yeah. First, what will happen? 1 to 3 is greater than 0. Yes, 1 to 3 is greater than 0. Then remove the last digit. What will happen now? 12. 12 is greater than 0. Yes, 12 is greater than 0. Then remove the last digit. Then 1 is greater than 0. Yes, it will remove the last digit. Then you will get the 0. Right, but what we want, like, we want first digit. Then what is the writing of code here? We need to write while. Okay, while the number must be greater than 10. Okay, the number must be greater than 10. That means what we have to do, right? First it will take the 1, 2, 3, which is greater than 10. Yes, it is greater than 10. Then it's remove that. 12, which is greater than 10. Yes, it will greater than 10. And 1, it's not greater, so it will be holding the, which is uh not greater than 10. So the value we are going to get as a num is 1 here. Okay, as we got 3 from this, right? As we got 3 from this, as we got 1 from this, then we need to do the sum of it. Okay, how we will do the sum? We will write the code for that. Yeah, num is equals to 1 to 3. Yes, then what is the first step? We need to take the last digit. Int of last is equals to num modulo by 10. That will take out the last digit of 3, whereas last variable is holding the value 3, right? Yes, it's completed. And while condition, the number must be greater than 10. Okay, this is our base condition because it has to stop here, right? So how we will, until that, remove one by one from the last. Okay, yeah, it's completed. And then what you are going to do right now, just take system.out.println and last less n. You are going to see last value is 3 and value is 1. We are going to see answer is 4. Okay, let's do the dry run for this. Okay, let's take the num. Okay, let's take the num. And what is the next one? And we need to pick up the last. Before, yeah, we need to pick up the last. Right, already we know the last formula is equals to num modulo by 10. And then we are going for the while loop. Okay, then we are going for the while loop. And next, what is the last step we are going to do here? N is equals to n by 10. And what is the last step? We need to print s out of last plus n. Okay, yeah. This is a table for the dry run. Okay. Essentially number is 1, 2, 3. Okay, how will you take the last digit? Whereas last is equals to num modulo by 10. That will give the letter 3 and that will be holded in the last variable. And we need to write the code like while number must be greater than 10. Right? Yes. Here 1, 2, 3. Which is greater than 10? Yes. It's greater than 10. So what you have to do? 1, 2, 3 by 10. You have to remove the last digit and give the updated number as 12. Okay, I mean, since it was not completed the while loop, then it's 12 greater than 10. Yes, 12 is greater than 10. Then 12 is 12 by, okay, what we have to do? We have to do like 12 by 10. It will remove the last digit and it will give the 1. Okay, 1 is greater than 10, then only you have to remove. 1 is greater than 10, then we have to remove, but it's not greater than 10, then it will stop and that will be holding the n value is updated to the 1 here, whereas last value is updated to the 3 here. And if I do the sum, last is holding the 3, n is holding the 1, then we are going to get the 4 as output for the summation of last and first digit. Okay, this is our intuition regarding a code and write on everything. I had been explained clearly. If you have any doubt, just comment me and just open the Eclipse. Okay, just open the Eclipse and no sum is needed. And you have to taken this. And first we need to take the last digit that by num modulo by 10. Okay, and we need to write the condition that given number must be greater than 10. Until that condition became true, we need to remove the last digit. If that condition fails, we need to leave the last number, and after that we need to add the last plus num. Okay, and if I write on the code, sorry, if I run the code, it was asking user to enter the number. If I enter 1, 2, 3, you are going to get the 4, right? And if I enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you are going to get the 10, right? And if I enter 1, 2, 2, yeah, 8, you are going to get 9. Okay, this is the code regarding the print the sum of the first and last digit of a number. And if you have any doubt, just comment me below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share to our channel. And up to that, complete the problems on the while loop is completed. We have done around 10 problems, and if any problems are missing, just comment me that. I will going to explain clearly. Okay, next video is recording the for loop problems. Okay, the for loop while loop is completed. And if you have any doubts in overall the videos, just comment below the particular video number, then we are going to watch that clearly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.